In the previous tutorial, we covered how to set up AR preview. This time, we'll take it a step further by using channel aliases. At the moment, we only have the AR channel, and it is triggering the graphics on both engines. However, in some productions, you may want to control graphics on the engines independently. To do that, we'll create separate channels. First, switch to node graph. On my first engine, I'll change the channel name from AR to VS01. The channel name can be anything defined by the operator. Notice that the PGM prefix is added automatically. Next, let's update the channel name on the second engine. I'll change it to VS02. Now, in the Lino rundown, the AR channel is no longer available. Instead, we have VS01 and VS02. I will choose VS02 on this item. Next, I'll add another template to the rundown. For this one, I'll choose VS01. I'll click Take In on the first item. As you can see, the graphic appears only on the second VS engine because it's assigned to the VS02 channel. Likewise, the second item appears only on the first engine because it's assigned to VS01. However, we've lost preview functionality. That's because the preview channel is still set to AR and it's no longer connected to any program channel. This is where aliases become useful. We can connect both VS01 and VS02 channels to one single preview channel. First, I'll enter VS01, then add a pipe symbol, and finally VS02. With this setup, we can use AR preview on both engine channels at the same time. Now I'll add the AR_score table template to the rundown twice. For the first item, I'll select VS01. For the second item, I'll select VS02. As you can see, the channels are separated while preview continues to work for both of them. In addition, we can create another channel, which we can use third channel as combined engines. Just like previous AR channel, on the VS engine 01 graph, I'll add the AR channel again using an alias. Enter VS01, add a pipe symbol, and then AR. I'll do the same on VS engine 02. Enter VS02, add a pipe symbol, and then AR. Finally, we need to add the AR channel to the AR preview engine. Add AR as a third alias. The final setup should be VS01 pipe, VS02 pipe, AR. Let's return to Lino and test it. I'll change the channel on this item to AR. As you can see, the AR channel can initialize graphics on both engines simultaneously. Alternatively, you can use VS01 or VS02 to target a specific engine, and because of the alias configuration, AR Preview continues to work across all channels.